Dear students, my today's second topic it is position of anthers. So far as we know, anther it is the male reproductive part of system in which pollen chambers are present where pollen grains are located. So far as this anther is concerned, it is attached to the filament in different positions. So our today's topic is concerned at what position the anther is attached with the filament. It has different positions. That means it is different position is fixed. So far as we have see it, and there are four types or four methods of this fixation. First is basified or innate position. Second is adenate. Third is diversified, and fourth is versatile. So far, dear students, we will deal them one by one. First is basic fixed. The anther is fixed directly at the top of the filament, so that the latter joins the anther at base. In this case, here this anther is attached to this filament at the base. So for at the top of the filament, at the top is attached anther. Such a condition when the uh, filament joins anther at the base. Anther is joined at the base with the filament. Such a position is known as basic fixed or innate type. It is first type. In such case, so anther is fixed directly at the top of the filament. At the top is this filament. It is top is presence of this anther. Such a condition is basic fixed. Such a condition is known as fixed. We can also deal it there. The anther is attached at the base of the filament. Anther it is attached. Anther's base is attached to the filament. Such a condition known as basic fixed. Such a condition is found in mustard, सरसों जिसको हम कहते हैं या रेडिश, जिसको रेडिश भी है, इनमें होता है बेसिक फिक्सड, यानी कि जो एंथर होता है उसकी बेस से फिलामेंट जुड़ा हो. सच कंडीशन, इस कंडीशन को हम कहते हैं बेसिक फिक्सड और इनर कंडीशन. Second is adenate. The filament runs throughout the length of the anther or becomes continuous with the connectivity. Connected ranunculus magnolia नेफिनिया, यानी ऐसी कंडीशन जहाँ पर फिलामेंट रनस जो फिलामेंट होता है इट रनस थ्रू आउट. फिलामेंट एक ही जगह पर फिक्स नहीं होता है, रनस थ्रू आउट फ्रॉम बेस टू टॉप. It runs filament runs through the length anther or becomes continuous with the connectivity. Connectivity is present between the two anthers. It is this filament is connected with it. Such a condition when the filament is connected throughout the length of anther, such a condition known as adenate. It is found in ranunculus, also in magnolia. Nymphaea also getting water lily. Then it is dorsally fixed. The filament is firmly fixed to the base of the anther. When filament is attached at the base of the it is anther. It is attached at the base side with this filament. Such a condition is known as dorsally fixed. It is found in Passiflora, Sisbonia, and Pronus. Such a condition is dorsally fixed. That means filament is firmly fixed to the back of the anther. एंथरस की बेक से यानी पेशे वाले साइड से फिलामेंट अटैच होता है या ज्वाइनिंग होता है, तो ऐसी कंडीशन को हम डोर्सी फिक्सड कंडीशन कहते हैं. Last is versatile. The filament is attached generally to the back of the anther and the anther can swing freely. इस कंडीशन में फिलामेंट बैक साइड से ही होता है एंथर के, लेकिन एंथर कैन स्विंग फ्रीली. इन सच ए कंडीशन एंथर कैन swing, it can swing freely. It is found usually in grasses. Such a condition known as versatile condition. That means filament is attached generally to the base of the anther. It is filament. It is attached to the base of the anther. Such a condition is known as versatile. Difference it is only anther can swim freely. In this condition, anther can swim freely on this filament. It is usually found in grasses. Such a condition is a versatile condition. So far, yes, these are two, four types of positions while anther is attached to the filament. Dear students, it is sufficient today. Will be next tomorrow, inshallah.